Well, hello everybody. Hey, I wanted to just make a quick video and give you guys some information about our website here in Ava and about our activities that we're going to be doing for our tutorials, and just specifically for the first set of tutorials. So here I'm logged into Ava and I'm on just the main page. Right here, Anuncios Académicos is a place where I can send out messages to you guys. You're going to see them right over here on the left, first class. There's the description of what we're going to be doing for today. I'll try to post one of those every week, so make sure you get in and check the announcements here. Also wanted to show you the chat, the tutoria. I'll be opening this during each of our tutorial sessions, and if you need to do a text chat, if you're having some technical difficulties or you have a question, you can go in there, ask a question, and either I or another student perhaps could answer the question for you. But I'll have this chat open each week. There's a forum right here. It's called My City, and I asked you guys to get into this forum and tell me about where you live and whether or not you're taking online classes, online tutorials, or if you're going on site to someplace in Guayaquil or Quito or Cuenca or something like that. I just need to know if you're going to be with me online or if you're going to be presencial in some other, another location. I also posted right here a class list, and if you'll get into this document, it shows you the groups. I broke the class into two groups. One group will meet on Wednesdays from 5 to 6:30, and the other group will meet on Thursdays from 5 to 6:30. Keep in mind, if you're in this list and it says you're supposed to get on Wednesday and you absolutely cannot get on Wednesday, that's fine. Get on Tuesday. Log in on Thursday. Just let me know, and that way I can kind of keep my class organized in terms of who I should be speaking with each day. I like to spend as much time as possible talking to my students, and so if everybody logs in at the exact same time, then the system gets really busy, and I feel like I have to cut it short. So spread out the time if you can, and log in during that day. If you have any questions about where you're supposed to be, which day you're supposed to log in, or you have a concern, or you're not sure, just let me know. I'll work with you. But we have tutorials Wednesdays and Thursdays from 5 to 6:30, so check the list to see which one you're in. This next part of this is a preliminary. This is all the information you need about the class, Listening and Speaking 4. You can get down there and see all the information that you need. This is kind of general stuff. Okay, so look at it as you need to. You can come back later if you have questions or you need to know something. Check in here. But today I wanted to show you here under Unit 1, which is Unit 1 of your book. There's the information you need to go through the class, okay, for each of the sections of the book, etc. And I know you can figure that out. That's not too difficult. But underneath here are some things that we're going to be doing in our first tutorials. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is watch this video right here. It's the intro to Listening and Speaking. It's just a video about me, gives you some information about me and about the class. Watch that if you can for a couple of minutes. It's not too long. Today's activity has a couple parts to it. And if you look right down here, you see this video called Our Deepest Fear. And this is actually a clip from a movie called Coach Carter. So what I want you to do is click on this video, and I want you to watch it. There's a young man who's going to stand up, and he's going to give a short speech. What I want you to do is write down all of the words that he says. You might need to watch the video a couple of times before you can get all the words, but his speech is not very long. However, it's very, very powerful. It's an excellent, excellent speech. And if you look it up on the internet, you'll find that it comes from the writings of a lady in a book. And I really want you to have these words. I have them written down. I have them posted for me to remember every single day. So I wanted to share that with you. So watch the video and write down all of the words. And then you're going to write just a short summary. In other words, what do the words mean to you? What is the speech about? Okay? So once you've watched the video and you've written down the words and you've added a short summary of your own, you're going to come right up here to this foro calificado. Now I'm going to take us in here real quick and show this to you. Now, there's already a question here, okay, that was put in, and I would like you to get in and answer this question. This is something you can do anytime you want. But I'd also like you to go on and add the information for today's lesson. In other words, post the words to the speech and your summary in this forum also. Okay, and just so you know, by posting into this forum, you get credit for your forum participation, although you do need to make sure that it's substantial, that you are putting some stuff in there that's worthwhile. So if you answer the question about the classes for teachers, then that's great. Make sure you follow the directions. But when you post the words to the speech and your own summary, make sure you do a decent job with that. Okay, so that's just the technical part of it. This is the this is where you're getting credit for your forum, participating in a forum. But once you're done with that, I want you to go back down here just below the video, and you're going to see where it says video chat October 12th. Now if you're logging in on Thursday, it'll say there'll be another one here, and it'll say video chat October 13th. So make sure you select the right one. Okay, today's is video chat October 12th. It says today from 5 to 7 p.m. I'm typically done around 6:30 unless I've got lots of students. But you log into this, and it's going to open up an application called Blackboard. And when Blackboard is opened, once you're into the system, you need to test your video camera and your microphone. Make sure both of those work. And if you get into Blackboard and have a little bit of difficulty, at the top of the screen, one of the menus has a place to help you set up your microphone and your camera. Once you're into Blackboard, I'll be there. And as soon as I get to you, if there's somebody ahead of you, I'll talk to them and finish. When I'm done, I'll get to you, and then we'll have a conversation. In today's conversation, I'm going to ask you about this video, Our Deepest Fear. And I'm also going to just ask you about yourself, where you live, why you're taking classes, etc. If you've traveled to the United States or other countries. I just want to get to know you a little bit. Okay? So, having said that, today is Wednesday, and Thursday is tomorrow. If you're getting online for those for the tutorials, then these are the things we're going to be working on. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please make sure you let me know, and I'm more than happy to help you. The fastest way to get a response from me is to send me an email directly. I'm going to make sure that I have here somewhere posted my information. Okay, I'll put it in here, and I'll give you Skype. I'll give you my cell phone so you can send me WhatsApp, and I'll also put my email on there, and then you can contact me whenever you need to. Okay? Anyway, have a great time. I look forward to seeing you in our video chat. See ya.